How can I resolve the issue of SIM not allowed on my device?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to tackle a common problem some of you might have faced, SIM not allowed. This error usually pops up when you're trying to use a SIM card on a network-locked device. Let's break down how you can resolve this issue step by step.
Understanding the problem.
Firstly, it's essential to understand what the issue is. SIM not allowed typically arises when a phone is locked to a certain network provider and you're attempting to use a SIM card from a different provider. If your phone shows this message, it means it's network locked and cannot recognize the SIM card you've inserted.
Check with your network provider.
Your first point of call should be to check with your network provider. It's possible that there's a technical issue on their end or your device is locked to their network. They might provide you with a solution or unlock your device, allowing you to use other network SIM cards.
Unlock your device.
If your network provider confirms that your device is locked to their network, you need to unlock your device. You can do this by 1. Requesting an unlock code from your provider. Most network providers will give you an unlock code, often for a small fee, or sometimes for free if you've been with them for a certain period. 2. Using a third-party unlocking service. If your provider cannot or will not unlock your phone, you can turn to reliable third-party unlocking services. Be cautious while choosing a service and make sure they're reputable to avoid scams. Please note that unlocking your phone might void its warranty, and the process will be different depending on your device model and network provider.
Try a different SIM card.
If you have confirmed that your device is not network locked but still receive the error message, try using a different SIM card. If the other SIM card works, it's possible that your original SIM card is defective. In this case, contact your network provider for a replacement. Dealing with technical issues like the SIM not allowed error can be a bit daunting, but I hope this video has helped simplify the process for you. Always start by contacting your network provider, and remember to tread cautiously if you opt for third-party services. Best of luck, and I hope you resolve your issue soon.